Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this section we are going to discuss about the stock overview. We are using three important T codes here. The first one is MMBE. In an T code MMBE we can see the total stocks and the stock type. First we are going to use the T code MMBE. Here you can see, here I am enter the T code MMBE. Click enter. Here what the material you want to know about the stocks, you enter here on the plan. I am taken this material. Click on execute button. Here you can see the total stocks are 113 in an unrestricted use stock. Here you can see the full stock is 113. This full stock is under the company code SVC2. This 113 stocks under SVC2. Under the plant VRP1, 113 stocks available. You can see here VRS1, it is a storage location. This storage location contains almost 113. So the total 113 materials are present in the single storage location, but these are not a single batch. Here you can see the various batches. In an batch number 23, 10 stocks available. In an batch number 2024 65, the unrestricted used stock is 98. For the batch number 2024 67, you can see here 5 stocks present here, and we can see there is no another stocks present here. I hope guys you understand about the unrestricted use stocks. And now we are going to another T code MB51. In an MB51 you can know about the movement types of a stock and the material document. Here you can see only the stocks and batches you can see, but you are not able to the movement type of the stock and not able to know about the material document number. So we are going to T code MB51. Here you can see I am entering the T code MB51. The /n is for new screen. Here we can see material document list. I am here taken the same material and the same plant. Press on executive. Here you can see the materials are splitted because this same material in different material documents number. So here you can see the material is splitted. Here you can see the different material document numbers, and here you can see the material present in the plant and which location it is present and which movement type it was received. Here you can see the same material 4374 is received in the movement type 101, 561 and also in 201. Actually you can see here the material documents for material. The movement type 201 is issue for the cost center. So here you can see totally we receive 115 stocks, but the 2 stock is issued to the cost center. So here you can see the 2 is minus negative and the movement type is 201. I hope guys you understand. 115 minus 2, 113. I will show you. Here you can see only 113 stocks because it shows only what are the current stocks available. But in an MB51 T code, we can see here the movements type and material documents So we can see here the two stocks are issued to cost center. And the another important T code is MB52. In an MB52, you can see the total values of your stock. Here you cannot see the total values of your stock, but in an MB52, you can see the total values of your stock. I am using MB52 as a T code. Click on enter and given the material and plan, press on execute. Here you can see the total stocks present in our storage location is 113. So its total value is 11,300. I hope guys you understand about it. These three T codes are very important in stock overview. So please go through it. Thanks for your support guys. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.